Another channel in material is transparency. If you click transparency, you can see we have a gradient that go from black to the gray or the white. The black means we don't have transparency in the root. Here is a root going along the tip, from the root going along the tip. In this scene, we have a roll of the hair, and in the back of them, a colorful plane. If you see, you cannot see from this distance. You cannot see through the hair in this part that his hair is growing here. But if you activate transparency from black to the tip gray, you cannot see a lot of transparency because of this. If you double click on them, you cannot change the color of that because this is an only black and white code with a smooth or cubic interpolation that you want. Just you can turn on a little bit brightness. Now you can see completely white area that you can see the hair through that, but it's too much. Now we can see a little bit hair from here, so you can see the hair. From here you can change the brightness of that. It means you can change the power of this transparency. You can see it. You can see better here in the transparency. We can see the hair through back through the hair. So black code in a root means no, you can invert it. Nice. You can see in a root you have transparency and you can see through the hair and the root. Because of this white is invert, and the tip it's black, we don't have any hair. So you cannot change the color, just double click and change interpolation from smooth to cubic or any other interpolation in between them. Double click on them. And then you can change a little bit brightness. I think now it's better. So you can delete some. Okay. Or you can give a texture black and white code again. For example, noise. From the noise, you can make it high contrast. Yeah, you can give a texture to noise and a little bit increase the noise. You can go and shade a texture to that. In this case, I think you cannot see it better clearly. I think noise in the 2D UV. You can see a little bit gradient noise in the tip. I think full 100 of that. Now you can see a little bit noise here. It's all about mapping of the noise. Going to the object. You can change the scale a little bit. Now we can see a little bit in a noise. Better seeing that. It's better to increase a little bit number of the tip. And you can see a noise at the tip in part. Then this noise, you can blend it, for example, multiply. Blend this to this. Now you can see a noise at the tip. You can play with this setting to achieve your result. Okay, that's transparency and easy. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.